Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up GHUB for your Logitech G305 mouse. So to do that, we're gonna have to connect our mouse to our computer first. You can use the dongle connection, which I actually used. In such case, you have to remove the dongle from here and insert it into your computer, but you can also use Bluetooth connection or wireless, and you can switch between them by pressing this pairing button right here. Now, once you have connected your mouse to the computer, we're gonna have to open the web browser on our PC and search for the GHUB software. Open the official Logitech website. Download GHUB for Windows or for Mac OS if you are using the Mac OS. Okay, and now let's run the installer. Sometimes you'll be asked to restart your computer before you run it. So if you are asked restart your computer, then relaunch this installer. Click install and simply wait until the software is installed on your computer. Okay, now let's skip the first introduction steps. Now let's go to settings and set the language that we need right here in the general section. Okay. Now, to set up our mouse properly, we have to check whether the mouse requires some additional updates. So let's set the mouse. You can also set up its initial settings, so active DPI speed, then the B-Hope mode. If you want it, you can enable it. Then you can calibrate the sensor. And you can also select some initial LightSync for your mouse. Now, to check for updates, you have to go to device settings right here in the bottom left corner. Then go to general and check whether the update button is colored blue. If it's grayed out, this means that you already have the required update installed for your mouse and you are ready to start using it. If something isn't working properly, try restarting your computer after that to make sure that the changes, all the firmware changes were applied to your mouse and to your computer. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.